Hey YouTube, how's it going? Jim Hall here. Do me a favor, first like this video and subscribe to my channel for future videos like this. Today what we're going to be talking about is how to make money affiliate marketing without a website. Why are we talking about how to make money affiliate marketing without a website? Is because that's probably what you just typed in. So what we want to do is we want to start talking about that, and I'm going to transition over here. The first thing that we want to talk about is something called the 30-Minute Workday Escape Plan. And this is a book that my buddy Nick Bramble wrote, and it's all about affiliate marketing, different aspects, different versions of affiliate marketing, and how to find different passions and build different plans into those different passions. What I want to talk about specifically is this image, and this is basically how to be successful with affiliate marketing. Most people go about affiliate marketing from the wrong standpoint. This can be confusing to a lot of people because most people, this is the first time they've ever seen this image. This is basically what an affiliate marketing business should look like. First, you have leads coming into your business. Those leads should go into a capture page that looks something like this, right? Those leads then put in their email address. That way you can follow up with them. That's what you see happening here. Those leads come in. This is what we call a funnel. You got a big group of people coming into the top of your funnel. Those are now getting emails from you. When you put in your email address, you'll see here, when I put in my email address here, this brings me over to what we call a handshake page, right? This page gives a little bit more information and gives my first offer. This lets you see a video from Nick.
Hey, my name is Nick, and I'm the author of the 30-Minute Workday Escape Plan, and I am so excited.
So this is the first attempt to shake hands with you and say, hey, look at this offer that we have for you. And then you're going to receive an email in your inbox. That's going to be the first chance for you to get information back from me, back from our system. And then what we have is what we call a value ladder. Now, when you put your email in that system, you're going to get a copy of this escape plan book. It's 182 pages explaining all of these steps and showing you the tools that we use to build out these pages. Most of it is done for you. We have these pages already ready-made for you. All you have to do is, this page in particular, this page is done. You just have to plug in some simple codes, direct it to where you want it to go, and it will do the work for you. You just have to plug in the ready-made emails that we've made for you, and everything is set up, already done for you. We call this a work with you business because I'm your business coach to go ahead and help you along the process. Then we have a whole community of people to help you if you get stuck in any of those steps along the way. But the main thing that I'm trying to show you here is to get you to learn this whole process is we have this 183 page book that is going to help you to find your way through it. You can find the link to this book in the comments down below, and that will help you to get started with me. Hope that this process made it more understanding. I'm not going to go into what affiliate marketing is. Hopefully you know what that is already. If you don't, this book will explain that to you as well. Alright, so grab a free copy of the book below. All you have to do is go to the page, watch the short video. If you're not interested in the offer, just click no thanks. You just want the book, and that is it. Alright, thank you. Have a great day.